What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be fully rebuilding this go-kart. What's up, YouTube? It's Joseph Perrin here at Perrin Power Sports, and as you know, we build all of our projects to perfection on this channel. We built some of our projects to perfection on this channel, but we're definitely going to be rebuilding this one to perfection, so stick around till the end because you won't want to miss it. Alright, so we have quite a bit to do on this build, but we're going to start out by welding up our front steering system, and then we're going to build our front bumper for this go-kart. So this piece broke off of our steering system, so what we're going to need to do is re-weld it so we can install our wheels and the rest of our steering system. Alright, so I finished reassembling the steering system here, and that works good. I also built this paddle shifter we're going to be using for our throttle. So now what we have to do is build our bumper, and then we're ready to sand this thing down for paint.
Finished reassembling the steering system here, that works good.
Alright, so I finished building our front bumper, and it looks really good. I also welded these bolts to the frame so that we can install our pedal. So now what we need to do is finish welding our front bumper onto the frame. Alright, so I finished welding up this front bumper, so now we can disassemble the rest of the cart and get it ready for paint. Alright, so I just finished disassembling this go-kart project, so now I'm going to take it outside and we're going to start sanding this thing down to prepare it for paint. Alright, so we're going to use some wax and grease remover to prepare our go-kart for paint. Alright, so now that we have the main frame sanded down on our go-kart, the next step is going to be to sand down all our little pieces, and then we're ready to get started on painting it. now that we finished finish sanding down all those little parts, I think that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you for part 2 of this project.